Cadwyn knows how important your home is to you. We would like you to let us know how we are doing and tell us when something is wrong so we can learn and together put things right.
You told us at Cadwyn that we should listen more, make changes when they are needed and keep you informed. We will be doing more of that.
Together we can create improved services and better homes.
There are a lot of ways you can help us improve based on your interest and the amount of time you can spare. We promise a warm welcome and we promise to make taking part easy, no matter what your circumstances.
You might feel unsure about the difference you can make, but by listening to your experiences, we can act to build a better future.
If you want to find out how to take part, please visit the Cadwyn website or Facebook page. You can also give your neighbourhood officer a call, drop into our office or download the Cadwyn app.